Measurement of large distances. Parallax method. Dear students, if we keep a pencil in front of our eye and try to look at it from one eye at a time, then it appears as if the position of pencil is changing with respect to the background. This is called parallax. The parallax method can be used to measure the distance of distant objects. Let us see how this can be done. Consider that Pankaj needs to find the distance of a pole which is at far point C. For this, he took 2 points, point A and point B. The distance between these points is B. This distance is called basis. Then he go to point A and find the angle CAB by using any angle measuring tool. He repeats the same with point B and find the angle CBA. Now, Pankaj got two angles of the triangle. He can find the third angle theta as theta is equals to 180 degree minus summation of angle CAB and angle CBA. The angle theta is called the parallax angle or parallactic angle. Now, as Pankaj know all three angles of the triangle and length of base AB, he can easily find the distance of pole by using trigonometric formulae. When we measure large distances such as distance of a planet, then distance between 2 points A and B denoted by B is very less than distance D of planet from these points. Therefore, B is very less than D and hence B upon D is very less than 1. It means that theta is very small. Also, as distance AB is very small as compared to distance of planet, we can consider AB as arc of length B of a circle with center S and radius AC dash equals to BC dash equals to D. For arc of a circle, we know that theta equals to length of the arc upon length of radius, which gives theta equals to B upon D. From this distance of the planet can be found as D equals to B upon theta. Here, note that while calculating the distance, always find the theta in radians. Now we will see angular diameter. Angular diameter denoted by alpha. It is the angle subtended by diameter d of the planet observed from Earth. With the help of parallax method, angular diameter can be given as alpha equals to d upon d. Okay, let's take a numerical to understand this. If you are familiar with the concept of parallax, let us solve this numerical. For that, do remember the following results. So, the question is, the Sun's angular diameter alpha is found to be 1920 seconds. The distance d of Sun from Earth is found to be 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meters. Then, find the diameter of Sun. To solve this numerical, first collect the given data. We know that alpha equals to 1920 seconds and d equals to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meters. Calculation. Angular diameter alpha equals to 1920 seconds, which is equals to 1920 into 4.85 into 10 raised to minus 6 rad. Since 1 second equal to 4.85 into 10 raised to minus 6 rad. So therefore, alpha equals to 9.31 into 10 raised to minus 3 rad. Also, we know the relation alpha equals to d upon d. Therefore, d equals to alpha into d. So by putting the values, we get d equals to 9.31 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter, which is equals to 1.39 into 10 raised to 9 meter. Thus, the diameter of Sun is found to be 1.39 into 10 raised to 9 meters.